Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to discuss about personification. What is personification? A personification involves giving a non-human inanimate object the qualities of a person. That is, in this, it is a poetic device where animals, plants, or even inanimate objects are given human qualities. Okay, human qualities is attributed to inanimate objects and also animals and plants. An idea or thing is given human attributes or feelings or is spoken of as if it were human. Okay, human characteristics are attributed to non-human things. That's the writers will be able to create life and motion within inanimate objects, animals, and even abstract ideas by assigning them recognizable human behaviors and emotions. So it can be very interesting because we know that readers know that non-human things cannot feel, behave, or think like humans. But however, personifying non-human things, that is giving non-human things human qualities, it will be very interesting. Okay, so let us look at some examples. It will be more clear to you. My alarm yelled at me this morning. My alarm yelled at me. My alarm shouted at me, shrieked at me. Is it possible? No, this alarm yelled at me. It means I heard the sound of the alarm. That's all. But here this alarm is given human qualities. The next one, my phone is not cooperating with me today. Another example for personification. That means my phone is not working. But here, using personification, my phone is not cooperating with me. Here again personification is used. Okay. That bus is driving too fast. Is that the bus which is driving? No, here again personification is used. Okay, that means the bus is going very fast. That's the meaning. And here again personification is employed. Then next one, my computer works very hard. Actually the meaning is I am working on my computer often. I have a lot of works to do with my computer. That is the meaning. But using personification again, my computer works very hard. It is the computer that works very hard, not me. Again, human qualities is attributed in all these sentences. Some more examples. The door jumped in my way. The school bell called us from outside. This advertisement speaks to me. All these are actually examples for personification. That means inanimate objects or even animals or plants are given human qualities. Okay, so I hope this idea is very clear to you. Once again, to conclude, what is personification? It is a poetic device in which animals, plants, or even inanimate objects, all these are given human qualities. Poets use this poetic device in order to make it more, in order to make the poems more attractive. So human qualities like emotions, feeling, desires, everything, such things, such qualities of a person, of a human being is attributed to non-human inanimate objects. And that is personification.